Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on Power Grid. Our analyst maintains buy on Power Grid with a price target of Rs 320. The management capex estimate are at Rs 55,000 crore for next 2 to 2.5 years and has guided for capex of greater than 15,000 crore for FY25 and Rs 20,000 crore for FY26, with some years may see higher capex of Rs 30,000 crore as well. Revival in transmission capex and regulated ROE model provides healthy earnings growth visibility. We expect 10% PET CAGR over FY23 to FY25, with possibility of upside to our earning estimate in case of a faster than expected pickup in transmission capex. A valuation of 2.2 times FY26 estimated price to book value seems attractive, considering a decent growth outlook, healthy ROE of 18 to 19% and a dividend yield of 4%. Next we cover Birlasoft. Our analyst maintains buy on Birlasoft with a price target of Rs 950, as the company is well placed to deliver industry-leading growth in the medium term, owing to the robust deal pipeline and deal ramp-ups. The company has consistently beaten estimate during last several quarters under the leadership of new CEO and revamped team, which is expected to continue forward. The company is optimistic on BFSI vertical and expect the BFSI vertical to bounce back in Q4. The company's efforts towards driving sales, account mining, rationalizing of account tail, and other management strategies by the new leadership team, coupled with gradual receding headwinds, are likely to result in strong deal signings and augment the healthy order pipeline, thus supporting revenue visibility in FY25. We expect sales and PAT CAGR of 15.2 and 22.7% respectively over FY24 to FY26. At current market price, the stock trades at 29.5 times FY25 and 23.5 times its FY26 estimated EPS.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.